Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the Short Ram Intake for the 4th generation 2.5 liter Mazda 3. There's been a lot of excitement around the release of the 4th generation Mazda 3, and CorkSport is equally excited. To celebrate this, CorkSport is building out a catalog of performance parts. Starting off this catalog, we've developed a short ram intake specifically for the 2.5 liter Mazda 3. So there's two main features about the CorkSport Short Ram Intake that really set it apart from the others. One is performance, and the second is style. So let's dive into performance. In our dyno testing, we saw a horsepower gain across the RPM range with a peak increase of around 5 to 6 wheel horsepower. And keep in mind, all our testing was done in a controlled environment and there was no tuning changes to the vehicle. As tuning becomes available for this platform, there's sure to be more gains to be made with a short ram install. We utilize a CNC billet aluminum MAF housing to create the most accurate and consistent mass airflow readings to the ECU. This keeps your fuel trims in check, miles per gallon in check, and doesn't trigger a single check engine light. The CorkSport Short Ram Intake utilizes a non-conventional air filter, as in it doesn't use oil as its filtering element. Instead, we use a dry flow element that keeps maintenance down, keeps your MAF sensor clean, your intake system clean, and looks great for a long period of time. Lastly, coming to the silicone coupler and T-bolt clamps, we use high quality silicone reinforced with braiding so it won't collapse under vacuum. Along with that, our T-bolt clamps available in black zinc or polished finish. So coming back to styling, we wanted to give you the opportunity to customize your engine bay. By doing so, we're offering you with blue, red, or gray filter medias and blue, red, or black silicone couplers along with the black zinc or polished T-bolt clamps. Create your own combination that fits your style. Lastly, and most importantly, with every CorkSport product, you get the full support of the CorkSport staff. Help you get through installation, operating the parts, and along with that, our color step-by-step install instructions. So you can get this installed in your garage. So thanks for taking the time to check out the new Short Ram Intake for the 4th generation Mazda 3. Be sure to subscribe, stay in the know. This is Barrett, tuning out.